Step 1. Create a monthly budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses each month. Divide your spending into categories such as housing, food, transportation, entertainment, and savings. A clear budget helps you understand where your money goes and makes it easier to identify areas where you can cut unnecessary expenses. Step 2. Set clear savings goals. Decide what you're saving for, whether it's an emergency fund, a vacation, a new car, or retirement. Setting specific and realistic goals gives you motivation and helps you stay focused on your financial priorities. Step 3. Reduce unnecessary spending. Review your daily and monthly purchases to identify expenses you can eliminate or reduce. Cooking at home, canceling unused subscriptions, and avoiding impulse purchases are simple ways to save money without making major lifestyle changes. Step 4. Save automatically. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every payday. Paying yourself first ensures that saving becomes a regular habit instead of something you do only if money is left over. Step 5. Build an emergency fund. Aim to save enough money to cover at least 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. An emergency fund provides financial security and helps you avoid relying on credit cards or loans when unexpected costs arise. Step 6. Compare prices before buying. Before making a purchase, compare prices from different stores or websites. Look for discounts, coupons, or seasonal sales to get the best value. Taking a few extra minutes to shop around can lead to significant savings over time. Step 7. Avoid high-interest debt. Pay off high-interest debts, such as credit card balances, as quickly as possible. The less interest you pay, the more money you can keep for your future financial goals. Try to borrow only when necessary and within your means. Step 8. Review your progress regularly. Check your budget and savings at the end of each month. Celebrate your achievements, adjust your spending if needed, and update your financial goals as your situation changes. Consistent reviews help you stay motivated and build lasting money-saving habits.